I know you must like the idea of being number one at your place of work. Whether it's a business you do, whether it's a career, even if you're a student, you like to be number one, the indispensable person, because you are very important. The answer to being indispensable, to be the best, number one, cannot be work alone. Or can it? Well, someone asked me a similar question 2 years ago in a virtual training I did. And here is the answer I gave. I do hope it helps you. Thank you very much, Ayobami, for the question. And here is my opinion. I hope you like it. My opinion is this. Was it yesterday? Was it yesterday or the previous? I was in a class and I told the students that, my students, I will not be this good if I never had people I learned from one-on-one, which I believe 100%. In my training, the way I speak today, I will not be this good if I didn't have people I learned from one-on-one. People, not just reading books, not just listening to someone on YouTube or a podcast. It's people I learned from one-on-one, people I could see one-on-one. And the idea of having a mentor is not having this lifelong person that you go and bow down to. No. But in your business, do you have one or two persons you can consult for solving your problems in business and personal life? Do you have one or two persons you can consult? Someone who is at your same level, who can look at the situation from a fresh perspective, or someone that is even higher than you, that can look at the situation and give you some opinions on how he or she has navigated that part. How goofy will it have been if all ladies had no mothers? How goofy will it have been? Imagine, I know you're a lady from your voice. Imagine the first day of menstruation, how it will sound like. You know, it will be as if, what is happening to me, my God? Hope you get it, Ayobami.
Yes, sir.
Hope you get it now.
Yes.
So, in critical thinking, in solving big problems, a mentor, as said here, is someone that can share you another opinion, that can help you look at the situation from another angle, can help you, give you suggestions of things he or she has done to solve a similar problem, and, you know, give you that broader perspective. And you never know, sometimes just speaking to the mentor, he doesn't even say anything worthwhile. I've been with my mentor without saying anything worthwhile, and it just occurred to me like, you said something about when you started, you were making 5,000 a day. How did you do it? And he will give it to me and said, yes, that's what I need in my business too. I do hope that video inspired you and gave you some actionable items that you can do towards moving to the next level of success you crave. Well, remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to someone else that will need it. And if you need my professional service, whether at a training or one-on-one consulting, here's my email. Drop me a mail and we can start from there. Until next week, there are no obstacles to your greatness, but the obstacles you set for yourself. We are here to help you remove those obstacles so that you can be the best you were born to be. Remember to subscribe and see you next week. Bye.